Hello everyone, welcome back to the OET. My name's Catherine and today I'm going to be reading a winter poem, Sleigh Bells by Evaleen Stein. Get cozy, are you ready? Let's go! Tinkle, 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 happy winter time. Baby's eyes a twinkle, hear the sleigh bells chime. Each one rings a merry ting-a-ling-a-ling, for a sleigh bell fairy hides inside to sing. See them quake and quiver, up and downward tossed. Seems as if they shiver in the nipping frost. Shiver into laughter. Jolly little elves, till we laugh thereafter, merry as themselves. Thank you ever so much for listening. Goodbye.